Hi everyone, it's Ira from gmailfiend. First of all, thanks for watching this video. If you're new here, please don't forget to click the subscribe button down below or check our channel for more videos like this. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to check for the spelling in email. Like how to use the feature on Gmail on checking the spelling of your email. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so as you can see here, I am currently typing a new message, but you can also use this when you reply to a conversation or an email. Okay, so now let's type the message that I was about to send to Mr. Spencer. So as you can see, in my computer, it automatically underlines the misspelled words, but here in Gmail you can click the three dots to check the spelling right here. And while it's checking, after it checks, you can see that all the misspelled words are now highlighted. So what you're going to do is click on it and then select the proper spelling, or you can also ignore it. Like for example, you're writing someone's name and then Google is trying to spell it correctly, but you are already type it correctly. You can just ignore it. So after selecting all the proper spelling, you can click this recheck and see if there are any more words that is misspelled. And there you have it. That's how you check the spelling of your email in Gmail. If you like this video, please don't forget to share, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye!